Hi everyone, thanks for joining me out on the trail today. Glad to have you along with me. I found a nice little spot here, throw up the chair and take a little break, and I figured it was time for a little bit of lunch. On the menu today is going to be a spicy chicken peanut ramen. Now for me, and I'm sure many of you as well, ramen has become a staple of my diet out on the trail. And why not? It's lightweight and it's easy to make. But I found that after a while, I was getting tired of the flavors and tired of just opening a bag and pouring it into some boiling water. And I thought, you know what? In the Trail Meals spirit, let's see if we can add a few more ingredients to it and make it something substantial. Something that'll give you some good fuel to get back out on the trail and get you to where you need to go at the end of your day. So I've got all my ingredients right here in my lunch bag. Let's fire up the MSR and let's make some lunch. And here we have all the ingredients that we're going to use today. So the base of our dish is going to be a ramen package. Now you could use your regular Maruchan top ramen, but I found this one that I really like. It's a Jade Pearl rice ramen. It's just a little bit higher quality than your 10 for $1 gas station ramen, and it just has a nice flavor profile that's going to bring into the dish that we're going to work with today. We also have some peanut butter, a little clarified butter. We have a little seasoning kit here, which is some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Japanese 7 spice. We have a dehydrated vegetable blend. We have a little bit of canned chicken. And for our garnish, we have a little bit of Tajin chili lime peanuts. So this is gonna add a nice little bit of heat and some crunch to the dish. So here are all of our ingredients. Let's set up the MSR and get cooking. Our recipe is going to begin with 1 cup of water. Once our water is boiling, we're going to start with our dehydrated veggies. And we're going to let those cook off for just a minute to get tender before we add in our ramen. After a few moments, we're going to add our ramen noodle. We're going to reduce our heat to low and keep stirring the noodles for just a minute. We're going to add in our clarified butter. We're going to add in our peanut butter. And our last ingredient used is going to be our chicken breast here. Now, if you're like me and you like bringing the canned chicken breast out into the backcountry, you might run into the same problem I have and have to bring a can opener with you. Well, to save some weight, you should look at getting a military style can opener. We're going to add in our chicken breast. And now we're going to give it 1 quick stir before capping it and letting it sit. Lid goes on. Turn our heat off. And we're going to let it sit for just a few minutes and let everything rehydrate. Well, this is all rehydrated here. My last step, I'm just going to add some of these spicy peanuts on top. And that's going to be lunch. Check that out. Oh, yeah. Really, really good. Adding the chicken, adding the peanut butter, adding those dehydrated veggies, it just takes it to a whole nother level. Like, this is really a meal. It's not just like something you tear into a little bag and pour in some water. It has some weight to it. This is really, really good. Scraped it clean. So good. There's nothing better than a great meal on the trail. Fill you up, get you feeling good, give you that good fuel to get back out on the trail, get you where you need to go. Well, I'm gonna throw my pack on, get back out on the trail here. Thanks for joining me for a little lunch. Hope to see you out here next time.